Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to do marshmallow juice. Start by gathering gelatin, sugar, water, vanilla, and a candy thermometer, then bloom the gelatin in cold water. Heat sugar and water to dissolve, avoiding boiling over, and whisk in bloomed gelatin off heat. Add vanilla and chill until slightly thickened, then adjust sweetness and strain for a silky, pourable marshmallow syrup. In this video, I will show how to do marshmallow juice. Measure gelatin, sugar, and water precisely to ensure proper texture and sweetness, then bloom gelatin for 5 minutes. Dissolve the sugar fully over medium heat, stirring until clear but not caramelized, then remove from heat and whisk in the bloomed gelatin until smooth. Stir in vanilla and any optional flavorings, cool slightly, and transfer to. In this video, I will show how to do marshmallow juice. Bloom the gelatin, gently heat sugar and water until dissolved, and never boil aggressively to keep a clean flavor. Off the heat, whisk in the bloomed gelatin until completely incorporated, then stir in vanilla and any extracts. Cool the mixture until it slightly thickens, strain for smoothness, bottle in a glass jar, and refrigerate to maintain texture and freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.